Hello everyone, welcome to Joe Duffy BMW here in Charlestown. My name is Tomas. In our showroom today we have this beautiful BMW X545e with the xDrive transmission. Towards the side we can see this beautiful 20-inch M Sport diamond cut alloys with the blue calipers. Towards the side we have the BMW LED adaptive headlights, the iconic key grills, as well. This car comes with a beautiful black sapphire color. Towards the side we can see our high black gloss side trims, as well as the privacy windows on the side. And then towards the boot we can see our automatically open and close boot with plenty of space on the sides here as well as below. As well, this boot automatically, as well as it automatically closes. On the rear passenger seats we can see our M Sport on the doors, as well as the beautiful white leather seats with the ISOFIX security system on both seats, as well as some storage space on the doors here to put the phone, and some climate control as well. Towards the driver's side we can see this beautiful white interior with LEDs all around, as well as the beautiful BMW M Sport black leather steering wheel. On the steering wheel we can see our cruise control, as well as we can control the media settings. Towards the cluster we can see there is a really beautiful one, as well as in the center we can see our home, our media settings, our navigation, as well as the rear view camera and the rear view sensor with reversing assistant and camera picture. Towards the center console we can see a place to put our phone, cup holders, as well all the controls to the media, home, navigation, and all of our modes: sport, hybrid and electric one. And here as well we have plenty of storage space on the sides, on the center, and on the driver's side as well. This build X5 also comes with open and close rearview mirrors, as well as automatic open and close mirrors. And also in the middle we can control all of our climate, as well heated seats, automatic climate controls, as well LED all around the car. All of our cars are available across our various Car Showroom websites, as well as BMW Joe Duffy website. All of our cars BMW approved used cars come with the standard 2-year warranty. If you have any further questions, want to book a test drive with us, my name is Tomas. Thank you for everything. Have a nice day.